Hello students, one of the very interesting question you can expect in section B or C. Practice this type of question to get confident in this exercise. Whenever the paper is moderate or very tough, you can expect this type of question. The given data a square plus b square plus c square equal to 16 and a plus b plus c equal to 0, find the value of ab plus bc plus ca. The first question I write two different format of square of trinomial. The second format is this: a plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca, 2 taken outside. So in this green color identity, we have only three groups. One is a plus b plus c, another one is a square plus b square plus c square, and third one is ab plus bc plus ca. Out of three, if any two groups are given, you can calculate the third group. Okay, so here a square plus b square plus c square equal to 16. You can substitute this value as 16, and a plus b plus c equal to 0. This is 0. Clear? 0 given in the question, which is a plus twice of AB plus BC plus CA. Clear? Write in standard order. These two groups are given: a plus b plus c equal to 0, a square plus b square plus c square equal to 16. Transpose to opposite direction. Twice of AB plus BC plus CA equal to minus 16. This is 8. So what is the final answer? The final answer is AB plus BC plus CA equal to minus 8. So for almost all the identities you have this type of numericals are there, but these are all standard questions, but we have tough questions also, but I'll teach in the next video. Okay, so very important, out of three groups, if any two groups are given, find the third group. Here the missing group is AB plus BC plus CA. We have two more types of problems, either this or this. So this is first type, another type, and third type. Okay, so I'll explain another two types of questions in the next two videos. Thank you.